Happy Thursday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level, live from Dallas, Texas at our awesome mastermind event. I was super pumped when I got up this morning and I saw this come across the release notes. So real quick background on this. So we have what we're going to call premium workflow actions coming out here soon. You can think about it as a step in the direction of kind of like a Zapier replacement. And one of the big things about this is one of the big actions is going to be Google Sheets. Now, real quick, I've been announcing this for a little bit, trying to kind of keep you abreast behind the scenes. As far as the release plan goes, I'm going to say like we're hopeful for next week. But it might be the week after at the latest. But anyways, we're getting very close now. But I wanted to give you another update on what we're seeing. So first of all, Google Sheets lookup is now here. And you can see the team did a really good job of like on the where and why would anyone use this kind of situation. So you can kind of see a lot of that stuff. But let me just bring you through some of the interface so you can see what's going on here. So the Google Sheets action, you can now see there's a lookup spreadsheet row. And of course, you can't see this yet. It's only on the high level side, but don't worry. Like I said, next week, hopefully. And then what you can see here is on obviously we have an inbound webhook trigger as well. The inbound webhook trigger, for those of you who don't know what a webhook is, it's just basically the ability to send data into high level. We have the ability to send data out, but right now we don't have the ability to send data in. So you'll have the ability to send data in. And when you do that, you can actually have high level take actions on different things. And so anyhow, once you do that on the inbound webhook trigger, you can also do things like use that information that you sent in later on, like in conditional statements like this, which is kind of cool. So this could be like, I don't know, let's just say somebody buys an item on a POS system, a point of sale system. You could then send that information into high level and have high level take an action, like send a thank you email or something like that. And you could utilize that information in the workflow, which is pretty cool, right? So anyways, we also have Slack stuff that is, a Slack connection, that's coming in as part of this. But you can see right here, this is a great example of I'm pairing these two things together. I'm actually looking up a spreadsheet row in Google Sheets, and I'm sending that information to Slack, which is kind of cool, right? And so anyways, just kind of walking through, like, please follow up with sheet.1.d, which is like sheet page one, and I think, sheet one, row one, column D, something like that. Sorry, my Google Sheets knowledge is pretty weak, but here's a good example here on as you could sort of see this. This is like an example, like churn reduction, right? Like let's say somebody's get a churn, and then you could create an updated contact in the system. You could look up something in a spreadsheet. Like you very quickly start to see how this all comes together. You can assign it to certain people. You can send notifications to Slack. It's a really, really, really cool thing that we're doing here. So anyways, this is kind of a little bit more on the lookup spreadsheet row. I just wanted to keep all of you kind of up to date. This to me is really amazing progress because it really starts to bring us into parity with that Zapier sort of Google Sheets action. So anyways, I hope all of you are an awesome Thursday. As usual, if you have any questions, let us know. Always happy to get feedback as well. And hopefully we'll be seeing you with this feature going live next week, but it might slide into the week after. So anyways, hope you're having an awesome day, and we'll talk soon. Thanks.